Meaning of haematology.
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 Haematology. Haematology is a branch of medicine focused on the study, diagnosis, and treatment of blood-related disorders. It involves the evaluation of blood cells, their formation, properties, and functions, as well as the organs and tissues that produce and support them. Haematology encompasses a wide range of conditions, including anemia, clotting disorders, hemophilia, leukemia, lymphoma, and myeloma. Through various diagnostic tests and treatments, hematologists aim to improve patients' quality of life and prevent further complications associated with blood diseases. Overall, haematology plays a crucial role in maintaining human health by helping to identify and manage these conditions.